By now everyone knows CineEye, but this is CineEye Air, the latest and smallest CineEye from Accsoon. And this elegant aluminium design with only DC input, USB Type-C connector, power button and full-size HDMI input. And of course, multiple mounting options with simple plug-and-play auto turn on and off features. It comes in this box. Let's see what's inside. So, manual, USB A to USB-C cable, cold shoe to Q20 adapter, which you have to assemble by the way, and this box with nicely packed Accsoon CineEye Air. Look how small and compact it is. You can find product links in description. It has two foldable antennas for transmitting Full HD video over 5 GHz Wi-Fi for up to 100 meters. Let me show you exact measurements. 86mm tall, 40mm wide and 21mm thick. Full length is 145mm. Check this, air size is only 60% of original CineEye. All that saves space is due to lack of internal battery. So let's test it. I will use this cold shoe mount to mount it on camera. Micro to full-size HDMI is not included in this package, so get one for yourself and plug it in. And now we just need to provide a power. CineEye Air will automatically detect HDMI signal and turn itself on. Now just open the Accsoon app and choose CineEye Air from drop down and click Monitor. Image should be instantly on, with a delay of 50 milliseconds. The app features lots of settings. CineEye Air can be connected to two mobile devices at the same time. It weighs only 100 grams and it supports 1080p at 23.98, 24, 25, 29.97, 30, 59.94 and 60 frames per second. Also 720p, 576p and 480p. Guys, thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe and check description of this video if you want to buy one of those. See you next time.